Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please join me. In this video you will see how to crochet my unique and beautiful flower. This is my own pattern that I created recently for you. I will use beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. And ball of yarn 169 meters and 50 grams. And 1.4 millimeters crochet hook. Let's crochet the flower. Make chain of 10 for the foundation ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch on the beginning of this foundation chain. My foundation ring is ready. Work into the ring. Make half double crochet with seed bead. Make chain of 2. Then yarn over the hook with seed bead. Then make half double crochet with seed bead into the ring. Continue 2. And while making my stitches, I am removing a long piece of yarn. 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. And in total it should be 16 half double crochet stitches into the ring. Once I have done all 16 half double crochet stitches, I'm about to complete this round. I skip 2 chains, insert the hook into the first half double crochet, make slip stitch, pull it. My first round is ready. For the next round, make chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the same chain stitch, make treble crochet. So I did 3 chains instead of treble crochet. Make ball and block stitch around these 2 stitches. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around these stitches, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Insert the hook into the same stitch that came out of treble crochet. Pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through loops on the hook, then chain of 7 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, insert the hook into the top. I will use this stitch later. Yarn over the hook twice. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch. Make treble crochet twice into the next stitch. Make the first one, Make the second one and pull through loops on the hook. Make boolean block stitch around these two. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the stitches, pull up a loop. In total it should be 9 of them. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Insert the hook into the same stitch that came out of treble crochet, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through loops on the hook. I pull it, continue working on this round, chain of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yarn over the hook twice. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the next stitch. Make a cluster made of 2 treble crochet into the second stitch. Then you should keep working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 8 such boolean block stitches. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. Once I have done the last chain space, insert the hook into the top. Make a slip stitch. My round 2 is ready. Let's crochet round 3. For this, make a chain, work into the chain space. Work with seed beads. I take seed beads. Yarn over the hook with seed bead and work into the chain space. Make 7 half double crochet into each chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Here what I have at this point. Continue working on my round, make 7 half double crochet with seed bead into the next chain space. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain space, make the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep working this way till the end of this round. It is very beautiful and simple at the same time. I'm about complete round 3. It was a round of half double crochet with seed bead. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first half double crochet, make a slip stitch, pull it. My round is ready. Let's crochet round 4. For this, insert the hook into the next stitch, make slip stitch. Let's crochet the petal. Make a chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the same stitch, make treble crochet. Continue, work into the next stitch, make 2 double treble crochet stitches. Make the first one, make the second one, like this. Continue, make 3 double treble crochet stitches into the next stitch. Yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the next stitch, make the first one, two, and 3. Well done. Make 2 double treble crochet stitches into the next stitch, make the first one, make the second one. Here what I have, make treble crochet into the next stitch, make treble crochet into the next stitch, then chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a slip stitch into the same stitch. My first petal is ready. As you remember, I made 7 half double crochet into the each chain space in the previous round, but my petal based on 5 stitches. Make slip stitch into the next stitch, work with next 7 half double crochet, make slip stitch into the next stitch and make half double crochet into the next stitch. Let's crochet the next petal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook twice and treble crochet into the same stitch. Make double treble crochet twice into the next stitch. 1, and 2. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. I am about to complete this round. Let's crochet round 4. Once I have done the last slip stitch, insert the hook into the back loop of the slip stitch. Make a slip stitch. My row 4 is ready. Let's crochet row 5. Make slip stitch into the next stitch. I am working with back loop, so insert the hook into the back loop and make slip stitch. Make 3 single crochet in round. Make the first one, 2, 3. Make half double crochet with seed bead. Take seed bead, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make half double crochet, 1, and make half double crochet into the each stitch of the previous row. Let's count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make half double crochet into the chain stitch as I did on the opposite side. Yarn over the hook with seed bead and make half double crochet into the chain stitch. So I am done 11 half double crochet in round. As I did before, make 3 single crochet in round. Let's count 1, 2, 3. Then work with slip stitches. And then I will show you how to make the trim for the next petal. Make the first slip stitch into the back loop. Work with back loops 2 and 3. And the fourth one into the back loop. As you remember, I am done 4 single crochet in the previous round. Make 3 single crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3. Work with half double crochet stitches with seed bead. In total it should be 11 of them. Make the first one into the chain stitch and the last one will be into the chain stitch. Keep working this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. Work in the same way as I showed you in this video tutorial. Once I have done all my stitches in this round, and now I show you how to complete this round and flower with me, I already cut off my yarn. Once I have done 2 slip stitches, insert the hook into the back loop, make a slip stitch to secure the yarn by making a chain. Pull it, and I will remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the flower. You can add a bead to the center of the flower using the long piece of yarn that you left before. Here what I have at this point, or you can add a bead. And this is the smaller bead. I will remove a long piece of yarn along the stitches and sew a bead, and you will see what I get. That's it, my flower is ready. Here how it looks when I am done. My flower consists of 5 rounds only. As you can see, I have done exact flower but used white color of yarn. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools, and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. You can use it like a separate motif, or it could be part of big project, such as Irish or Guipure laces. Let's look at the back side. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!